In this video, we're going to discuss how to create a business schema, and after we've created it, we are going to share that schema with some other users. And once we've shared it, we're going to actually log in as one of those users who we've shared it with to confirm that they are seeing what we want them to see. The data, because we are actually only going to share certain columns and attributes with the other user, so we want to confirm that this actually does work in the way we want it to. So first of all, we'll have to switch over to the business schema section, and we can do that just by moving our mouse cursor over to the business schemas tab on the left side of our screen. It's this one right here, business schemas. And look, we need to add a schema, create a schema, and we'll link it to our U.S. states table. So we'll call it U.S. states just so we know what we're doing. And we won't enter a description for now. We'll create it, and there we go. There's our U.S. states business schema. And to add a view to this schema, we can just click at the add icon. We want to link it to our US states table, so that is how we can do that, just by clicking that plus icon, and we can name our view states. So we've named our states, and these are the columns and attributes we will allow other users to see. So we can just drag whichever ones we would like them to see over to the right. So we'll do population, population bucket, capital, and state. So these are the four columns and attributes from our US states tables that the users whom we share our new business schema with can view and even use to create their own dashboard. So we've saved our new business schema by clicking done, and this is the view. We have one view with 4 fields in it, and if we go to our US states or business schema section, we can share it just simply by clicking on the actions icon, schema settings, and then sharing. We can add a user who we want to share it with. So we actually have a group of users called Summer Campaign that we'll share with, and we can, set the privilege of what we want them to be able to do with it. We want them to be able to edit it so they can create their own dashboards, or rename it to their needs. So we can save that, and it has been shared with that group of users, and one of the users in that group is named John. So we will sign in as John to see exactly what John can do with this new schema. So there we go. We've logged in as John. We open up the business schemas tab. There we go. See, US states business schema shows up. So it has been successfully shared, and if we open that up, we see one view with 4 fields, exactly what we wanted John to see. And if we edit the view, we allowed him to edit it. We gave him that privilege, so he can, for example, change the labels to whatever he needs it to be. He can also create a dashboard. He can drag the measures like population, and you can use state as a dimension for his chart that he's just quickly created. But what's significant, of course, is that only those 4 fields that we originally specified when we created the business schema, the view, and when we created the view for the business schema, you can only use those 4 fields. So this is a very simple example, but say we have a lot of fields, a lot of columns, and there's only a few we want to share with our other users. It's very easy to do so using Encorta, and it's very simple. And this video has shown you exactly how to do it.